The party that cannot assure women of safety, women's safety, cannot win. Everything has been forced by BJP and Eknath Shinde from Maharashtra to Gujarat. That is very, very evident. The other fact is, today law and order has gone to absolute shambles. People know that Uddhavji is a selfless leader, wants to work for people, and they will vote for the Mashal. This is a make and break election, make or break election for Maharashtra. Whether this will become Adani Rashtra or remain Maharashtra is what is to be determined in this election. Look at the way Adani is trying to gulp down Mumbai. He wants to take everything from Mumbai to Gujarat. We won't let that happen. BJP is only about बटेंगे, कटेंगे, लूटेंगे, छाटेंगे, मारेंगे, उसके आगे जाते नहीं है. We're fighting for Maharashtra. This is not about personal ambitions at all.
Change between Lok Sabha and now is this 1500 rupees for women per month.
Absolutely.
How are you handling that? Because it seems to have gone down quite well.
So we've already got a couple of schemes like Sanjay Gandhi Niradhar Yojana and many other schemes like that going on. But the most important thing is people have realized that the BJP that had promised 15 lakhs 10 years ago is now speaking about 1500 rupees. And if they win again by mistake, they will give 150 rupees. We have promised 3000 rupees. But also along with Ladki Bahin, we need Surakshit Bahin. The BJP is the same party that has taken Gauri Lankesh's killers into their party. Eknath Shinde has done that. The BJP is the same party that's gone and campaigned for Revanna. The BJP is the same party that's taken Bilkis Bano's rapists into their own party for campaigning. So, the party that cannot assure women of safety, women's safety, cannot win. And the women have seen how Maharashtra has been looted by the Eknath Shinde BJP government in the past 2 years. They speak about taking industries to Gujarat, not to Maharashtra.
Things like Gauri Lankesh.
See, I think what is very important is it's not just about one person, right? This is about women's safety. We're not speaking of Gauri Lankesh only as
this is not
a
our
journalist.
camera.
It's about an individual citizen who's a lady. Today, Maharashtra, the way it has been looted, an exodus of, right from Vedanta Foxconn to Baldrag Park to the Diamond Bourse, everything has been forced by BJP and Eknath Shinde from Maharashtra to Gujarat. That is very, very evident. The other fact is, today law and order has gone to absolute shambles. A police API can be attacked in Pune and nobody does anything about it. Brats are going about driving their cars over people. They don't get arrested. All of this is seen very evident.
6 months ago, you won an election.
Yes.
Very narrowly.
Yes.
Why would you do better now?
We will do better now because 6 months ago, the timing of the elections, 20th May, was also the timing where a lot of people had gone off for their vacations to their native places, all of that. Two, I think also a lot of high-rise buildings, a lot of Mumbai's, true Mumbaikars want to vote for Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray. Maharashtra wants to vote for Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray. As against during the central elections, there was, we needed a face. But here, everyone has seen how Modi ji and how Prime Minister's BJP plus Eknath Shinde have looted Maharashtra, and even further so in the last 2.5 months.
We got a lot of young fans.
Yeah, if they had voting rights, we would have formed the majority government.
As we are talking about the assembly election, you said that these times it is the local issues that matter.
Yes.
The thing is, you don't have your party name, neither the party symbol.
Absolutely.
Plus 40 MLAs who were with you, who are said to be strong, are not with you. Is this a challenge? And that's why will Shiv Sena UBT be considered as a Kamzor Kadi? That is what the opposition.
Just we've got 40 MLAs running away. We've got 13 MPs running away. In a city like Mumbai, we've got 50 corporators running away. But you see, those who became Gabbars became Gaddars. Those who stayed with us are still with us. The people are with us. They've cushioned us in the past 2 years, and they will stay with us because they want to know the best interest of Maharashtra. They want to work for the best interest of Maharashtra.
But you're a party mainly of this city.
Yes.
Does it hurt you that outside of Maharashtra? Nobody there to... there's nobody, the main leadership is not with you.
So you'll see across Maharashtra, be it farmers, be it women, be it youth, are supporting one name, Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray. I think that is very important because in the past 2.5 years, we've seen the loot of Maharashtra. The 2.5 years preceding that, we've seen Uddhavji's work. He's worked selflessly for all people, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, language. We've worked for all. And if you see during COVID times as well, people still remember the COVID times. You had dead bodies floating in the Ganga. You didn't have that here. You had people, dying because of lack of oxygen in Gujarat. You didn't have it here. So people remember that. People know that Uddhavji is a selfless leader, wants to work for people, and they will vote for the Mashal.
A lot of people are saying your father used to be a quiet, mild. Suddenly he's become very
Tiger like your grandfather.
like
Circumstances make a man.
yeah. So they're saying
He doesn't believe that you've got to keep, swinging a sword all the time. It's got to be in its.
but he's become
cover.
much more energetic and
Yes, I think what has happened is, if you see Pawar Saab, if you see him, both of them, they are fighting not for their own astitva. They're fighting for the astitva of Maharashtra. That is most important.
So we've been traveling around a lot talking. They're also saying that this is a make or break election. for
Absolutely,
both
sir. This is
your
a make or
party-
break election for Maharashtra. Because see, polls come, elections always take place. Hopefully, now that there are 240 elections will happen. We've restricted them from changing this constitution at the center. But even today, what is very important is this is a make or break election for Maharashtra. Whether this will become Adani Rashtra or remain Maharashtra is what is to be determined in this election.
Is Adani a big issue over here? Do you think
Absolutely. Look at the way Adani is trying to gulp down Mumbai. Free of cost, 1,080 acres, with all the premium exemptions, with all the benefits. Which other developer or which other common man would get this? Only and only because he owns the BJP and Eknath Shinde, he's getting all of these freebies. The rest of the people, they look at, 50 rupees, toll exemption, great. But he's getting an exemption of 5,000 crores. Which rule is this? What justice is this? How does this happen in a city like Mumbai, where you and I, born and brought up here, cannot get 1 square foot free? He's getting 1,000 acres, 1,080 acres free of cost. And in which Dharavi, 2 lakh Dharavikars won't get homes. This is injustice. This is what we will scrap. He's also out to buy the Koliwadas of Mumbai and Maharashtra. He's out to finish the Gautans of Maharashtra. He wants to take everything from Mumbai to Gujarat. We won't let that happen.
Once again, the Adani business. Is somebody in Amravati aware of that? Somebody in Kolhapur aware of that?
Absolutely. In Maharashtra, every small hamlet also fears Adani. Fears in the sense nobody is scared of him, but fears that if BJP and Eknath Shinde win again, it'll be Adani Rashtra, not Maharashtra.
So it's more like Gujarat versus Maharashtra.
What has happened, so unfortunately, is not Marathi or Maharashtra versus Gujarati. A lot of Gujaratis have been staying in Mumbai for years.
Yeah.
A lot of people from Gujarat also come here
Right.
with a dream to get a job or an employment. Largely, Gujaratis are also entrepreneurial, which is a great spirit to have. But what BJP has done is unfortunately pulled every big industry, be it from Jharkhand, be it from Uttar Pradesh or anywhere, to Gujarat. And that is the problem. Everywhere the contractors are Gujarati. Local contractors don't get any hope. Even in Varanasi, you see, the biggest fear is about the local pujaris, generation-old pujaris, to be taken out and Gujarati pujaris to be placed there by the BJP.
So when you say this, you feel angry.
There is a lot of deep anger, a sense of resentment towards BJP that is promoting Gujarat. Essentially what has happened is the BJP over the past 10 years has planned to take everything from other states to Gujarat, and that is the problem. That is where all the other states are feeling isolated, they're feeling ignored. And whether we have a special provision that has been put in by the BJP to ignore Maharashtra, that is how we're thinking now.
One of the factors that makes this election different from the Lok Sabha is national parties versus national parties.
Yes.
Assembly, much more regional parties. They've been growing all over.
Yeah.
So you're a regional party. So is this
And
election
regional and original.
Regional and original. And is this therefore basically a fight between two regional parties, and the national party is a little less relevant this time?
I think what is important is we are contesting as Mahavikas Aghadi. And for us, it is Mahavikas Aghadi versus the BJP that has broken the Shiv Sena, that has broken the NCP, that has broken the Pawar family, and that has looted Maharashtra.
The MVA, are they for each other? Are the other guys working with the party?
Yes, we are all working for
And
each other.
then who becomes the CM if you were to win?
We'll decide at the right time.
But you said that
23rd, 5 o'clock.
But you said that people are voting in the name of Uddhav Thackeray. So as a son, as well as the MLA from Shiv Sena UBT, who do you want to be the chief?
See, I take some qualities from him, and he's never been greedy, he's never fought for the post. So, just like he thinks, we're fighting for Maharashtra. This is not about personal ambitions at all.
The partners are fighting together.
Yes, we're all fighting
So you
together.
find Congress people here, you find
Absolutely.
the others here helping you.
Absolutely.
So as a regional force, what advantage did you have over the other regional force? Which one is original? You keep
We have the original force. We have the original force, and
But
we're
they have
thinking
the
for
symbol
Maharashtra.
and all that.
Absolutely. I've challenged Mr. Eknath Shinde a couple of times that take your own father's picture, use that in the campaign, use your own logo, and use your own name. can't win a seat. It's taking our pictures, our grandfather's photo, our party's photo, party founder's photo. He can go around everywhere. But just because someone has stolen something, he doesn't become the owner of it. This belongs to all of these people.
And do people see it as though he's stolen? Is there sympathy
Yes,
for you?
absolutely. See, more than sympathy, there's an anger that this government, this regime, has been anti-Maharashtra.
The one thing that is being said, batoge to katoge, vote jihad, especially Uddhav Thackeray and his Shiv Sena,
Yes.
they have forgotten Hindutva. This is one thing from Amit Shah to Modi.
I fully agree when they say batenge to katenge. Because अगर हम बट गए तो महाराष्ट्र का पॉकेट कट जाएगा. बीजेपी इज ओनली अबाउट बटेंगे, कटेंगे, लूटेंगे, छाटेंगे, मारेंगे, उसके आगे जाते नहीं है. एक रहेंगे तो सेफ रहेंगे इज ऑल्सो व्हाट आई एग्री विद. बिकॉज अगर हम महाराष्ट्र करके एक रहेंगे, भाजपा से दो हाथ दूर सेफ रहेंगे. हु इज द बीजेपी to give us a certificate on Hindutva? The BJP's Hindutva or BJPification of the Maharashtra that they're trying to do is something we don't agree with. The BJP's Hindutva is only electoral Hindutva. They're quite shallow in their belief. What they believe is what you eat, what color you wear, how many times to the temple you go defines what your religion is. That's not Hindutva. My religion is much deeper than that. My religion is much more intense than that. What my beliefs are in my heart. But today, whoever's coming for a job here, whoever's coming with a dream to get a job in Maharashtra, is not coming with a label saying Hindu, Muslim, Parsi, Christian, Sikh, Isai, Buddhist. They're coming for a job. They're a citizen of India. So whatever they call as vote jihad or whatever, have they not gone and said Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas? Have they not gone into madrasas and mosques? Has the RSS chief not gone into a mosque or a madrasa? The most important thing is all of these people, be it Muslims, be it anyone else, be it Buddhists, be it Sikhs, they're citizens of India. At least we haven't gone and hugged Nawaz Sharif, which the Prime Minister of India, Mr. Modi, has done. So this is not the BJP's Hindutva that we are going by. We will never inaugurate a temple which is half complete for our own electoral benefits. We will never burn someone over what they eat. That is not our Hindutva. 2 months ago, we were told by the BJP ecosystem that in Bangladesh, Hindus are facing atrocities. Right? All eyes on Hindus in Bangladesh. It's the same Jai Shah's BCCI that's playing cricket with Bangladesh. If it was Pawar Saab leading BCCI, if it was anyone from the Congress or any other party leading BCCI, they would have been called out as anti-national. So then what's the difference? This is BJP's fake Hindutva. This is BJP's electoral Hindutva.
One of the big differences between Maharashtra and the rest of India, almost every state, women turnout is more than men. Maharashtra, 5% less than men. What are you going to do to get women voters out like the rest of India?
This time, you will have more people voting for Mahavikas Aghadi, especially women. Because again, women go by a sense of culture. Women go by a sense of belonging. We call Uddhav Balachandra Thackeray our Kutumba Pramukh because the kind of government he led, the kind of Susanskrit that we call him, that a person he is. It's quite a contrast to the way these 40 Gaddars were dancing on the tables after Uddhavji's government was toppled. The way these Gaddars have gone and abused people, the way these Gaddars have gone and harassed people, extorted people, be it nursery schools to whatever. It's something which has never been Maharashtra.
The Gaddars have paid for the women.
Absolutely. Look, we are giving 3,000, but this is not a race.
You are going to give.
So this is not a race between the two. In fact, the women are saying that this is too less, A. Two, the women are saying this is only and only because they've lost the Lok Sabha. So everybody knows about it. Everybody knows about it.
It won't make any difference.
No, people will take the money. People will take it as because they need it today. The inflation that is caused by Mr. Modi across the country, the unemployment rates are stark. But again, they know that this money doesn't belong to the Gaddars. This is taxpayers' money. This is the women who are paying tax are getting the money back.
You know, we as 1/10 of India, Maharashtra, have to create 1 crore jobs a year. How are we going to do that?
The most important thing is political stability. Even during MVA's time, the government that we were running, we had 6.5 lakh crores coming into Maharashtra. All the MOUs signed by us, be it in Davos, be it here in magnetic Maharashtra, there was a white paper by some newspaper and they said that 95% of those MOUs have been converted to work on ground. As against Vedanta Foxconn, Bulk Drug Park, Medical Device Park, Airbus, Tata, all of it being sent away to Gujarat. 5 lakh jobs could have been created by these 4 or 5 industries that were coming to Maharashtra for sure. You'll see this atmosphere outside our offices on 23rd.
Year 2000, Maharashtra used to be the second richest state. Now it's the 9th. In 20 years, it's gone down.
It's gone down.
Why and how are you going to change that?
Out of those 20 years, the 10 most crucial years, International Financial Services Center, Air India, a lot of these headquarters have been shifted to Gujarat by force. The diamond boss was threatened. Diamond merchants were threatened to go to Surat and open an office. and then after Modi ji inaugurated it, all of them are coming back. So this has been the story of Maharashtra. Unfortunately, we feel that we are a state that has, after 370 has gone away, there's something coming on to us, saying, okay, now we only want to create injustice for Maharashtra at the hands of BJP. That is what we're fighting against.
Thank you very
Thank you, sir.
much. Thank you. Thank you very
Thank you. See you, sir.